10 words of wisdom quotes from President Suharto that shocked the world. Number 10. We must always prioritize the interests of the nation and the people in every decision we make. Number 9. Change is a part of life. We must be ready to face it wisely. Number 8. We must maintain the security and stability of our country, because without it, there can be no progress. Number 7. We must preserve and protect our natural resources so that they can be enjoyed by future generations. Number 6. We must become a self-reliant nation and not depend on others. Number 5. We must maintain unity and solidarity because that is our strength. Number 4. The success of a nation depends on the education and understanding of its people. Number 3. There are no shortcuts to success. Only through hard work, dedication, and patience can we achieve it. Number 2. We must think and work hard, unite in goodness and truth, so that we can advance our nation. Number 1. Together we move forward. Together we take steps toward a better future. Number 2. We must think and work hard, unite in goodness and truth, so that we can advance our nation.